Well, here we have the finished setup for the vertical stand. So the previous video I showed making the stand itself, and I mentioned that I needed to do something about the electronics. So what I have done is a simple through switch. I did previously say this was a no voltage release switch. It is not. It is just a straight through. There are 3 pairs of terminals, and the on button just bridges them and the off button drops that connection. One annoyance with this, you'll see the blue stripe, I used some nice crimp connectors for the end of my wiring because I thought that would be a nice fit. Once I had done that, there wasn't enough depth to this box for the switch and the connectors, so I whipped up a quick part on Infusion, printed it off just to give myself a little bit more depth for that. That obviously has just a simple plug for the saw to plug into, and it itself plugs in to the extension cord. So that's my main on and off. As you saw, rather than use zip ties, I modelled this part, which I will put on Thingiverse. There will be a link in the comments, which fits exactly over the handle here. It's quite a nice snug fit. That simply goes in. Put anything you like in to hold it shut. I quite like having a screwdriver. It gives me a nice thing to pull out to release if I want to, that's right ready to hand. And that's basically all I have to say about that. I hope this has been of interest to you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.